Hello, good morning to all of you. Once again, I welcome you on the online platform of Capt and Zile Singh Academy. Myself Varun, and today we are ready with another lecture. And today's lecture is about how to introduce yourself in Spanish. The basic introduction, greeting parts we already done. Today we will do the introduction in Spanish. How to introduce yourself in Spanish. Some basic structure, basic lines, and then we will move to the high level. So first thing is that when we are going to start with the introduction, we need to start it with the greetings. Means if you are introducing yourself in the morning, then definitely you have to say good morning to all of you, good morning one and all present here. If you are introducing yourself in afternoon, then you have to say good afternoon. In the evening time, good evening. So starting with the introduction, so first of all, good morning is buenos dias. Buenos dias a todos. Buenos dias a todos means good morning to all of you. Buenos dias a todos. Good morning to all of you. Buenos dias a todos means good morning to all of you. Buenos dias a todos. After that, the first line always it will be name. How to say, for example, my name is, or if you want to say today I want to introduce myself in front of you, or today I want to present myself in front of you, then hoy quiero presentarme en frente de usted. Hoy quiero presentarme en frente de usted means today I want to present or I want to introduce. Hoy quiero introducirme en frente de usted, or hoy quiero presentarme en frente de usted means today I want to present myself in front of you. Today I want to present myself in front of you. Today I want to present myself in front of you, or I want to introduce myself in front of you. Hoy quiero presentarme en frente de usted. Hoy quiero presentarme en frente de usted means today I want to present myself in front of you. The next line. Now we are going to start with the name. My name is Varun. My name is Rahul. My name is Gaurav. How to say in Spanish? So, me llamo es. Then in blank you have to write your name, whatever it is. ADC. Me, my name is Varun. My name is Rahul. My name is Tarun. Whatever it is. So, me llamo es Varun. My name is Varun. Me llamo es, whatever your name you have to write. My name is means me llamo es. My name is. Then another line you can say, my name is me nombre es. Mi nombre es means my name is. Then in blank you have to write your name. Mi nombre es means my name is. Mi nombre es. My name is also. And mi llamo es. My name is also the same. Mi llamo es and mi nombre es. My name is and my name is. So after name you have to tell about your age. About your age. What is your age or how old you are? So tengo, tener is the verb and the conjugation of the verb tener in present tense is tengo. Tengo, for example, if you are 10 years old or 12 years old, 13 years old, write the number. Numbers already we have done till 100. Tengo 25 años. Before that is one more line. If you want to say that my surname is, if you want to add my surname also in your introduction part, then mi apellido. Mi apellido es means S. My surname is. Mi apellido es means my surname is. If you are surname, then you have to write your surname. For example, mi apellido es Sharma. My surname is Sharma, Varun Sharma. Mi apellido es Chaturvedi. My surname is Chaturvedi. So mi apellido es, my surname is. Next, age. How to say, how to tell your age. Tengo 25 años. Tengo 25 años means I am 25 years old. Tengo 25 años means I am 25 years old. Tengo 25 años. I am 25 years old. Tengo 20. If you are 10 years old, then how to say 10? 10 is 10. 10 means 10. If you are 12, then dose. Dose is 12. Number already we have done. You can check in the number class. So, tengo 25 años means I am 25 years old. So, tengo 25 años means I am 25 years old. Then, how to say your name? Me llamo es. Then, your surname, age. Now, come to from where are you or from what is your native place or what is your birthplace. So, yo soy. Ser is the word. Ser means